What's up, everybody? Jerry with Dipping Up Trading, back with you guys for another video. Apologies I didn't post anything for about a week. I was out on vacation, but I'm back and going to be getting you guys some more content here for the rest of the week. Today we're going to be jumping into Ater Incorporated, or ticker symbol ATER. Going to be just giving you guys kind of like a midday update, and then later this evening I'll kind of close it out for this one specifically with like where it finished off in the day and then where this thing could potentially run, you know, over the next few days after that. So, but before I get started, please don't forget to hit up that like and that subscribe button down at the bottom of the screen. Helps people find the content and the channel, and helps the community continue to grow. And yeah, that'll pretty much be that. So on the day today, Ater is up to $9.43, up 33 cents on the day as of right now, up 3.63% respectively. Now currently we are basically, if you remember my last video that I posted on this, we were in that bullish divergence pretty much since September 29th, and now we're starting to see it start to play out with some buyers starting to step back into this thing. Now let me zoom out a little bit so you guys can see what I'm seeing. I think we're pretty much right in this yellow zone here, just based on what I'm seeing. So let me go ahead and highlight that. And remember, we were pretty much in this consolidation phase for quite some time, which is kind of where this was at, right in here. So it's nice to see some price action in this stair step up that I was, mentioning, so many trading days ago. So I would expect, if this continues, let me go ahead and go to the 5-minute. So we tested pretty much $10 and rejected, and then we have bounced off of $9.35 roughly. So that now is acting as support. So I would expect us to test, let's see, where's this at? So $9.46 is key. And then after that, looks like $9.50 or so. And then from there we have $9.66. And $9.66 should bring us roughly, I would say, $9.85, and then hopefully if we can eclipse that $9.85 range, we should be retesting the intraday high of that $9.99. So everything's looking good. We do have, just in the intraday right now, we have a little bit of bearish divergence. So I would expect maybe to be a little bit more of a sell-off towards the end of the day, just based on what I'm seeing. Plus the MACD is currently below that signal line. So we really need to see that MACD start to cross and start to curve its way back up so that we can start to get some more bullish momentum. If you're looking to enter at this point, I would look at entering at that 912. 912 is acting as support as well. And then I would say even like 920 would also potentially be a good point of entry if you're looking to get into this play. Let me jump over to ORTEX real quick, and then I'll let you guys go. ORTEX today. So for Ater, utilization is down 0.34%. It's basically still maxed out though. So from the 7 days prior, it was at 100%. Right now it's at 99.66. Cost to borrow is up 2,179% at 98.63%. So I don't think I've ever seen a 4-digit number before on ORTEX, so that's kind of crazy. Shares on loan is up 335%. Percent of free float on loan is also up 335%. So these numbers are starting to climb back up, which is where it was at when it ran up to that $19 range. So hopefully we should start to see this momentum continue over the next few trading days. On the intraday today, though, the short interest change. So we're down. What is this? Down 3.12%. We had 1.13 million returned versus 641,000 borrowed against, for a net borrow change of 485,000 returned for Ater. The current short interest of the free float, now this is all estimated, is 29.79%. The current estimated short interest is 6 million, and then the cost to borrow minimum, and again this is a yearly rate, is just under 75%. The cost to borrow max is just under 161%, and with that average falling right within 91.42% or 91.5%, let's call it that. So but other than that, everything's looking good. I would expect this continuation of this stair stepping though to continue, just because it's been in that bullish divergence for such a long time. I mean, almost damn near a month. And so we're starting to see that momentum start to come back into play with Ethereum specifically. So, but other than that, that'll wrap up this midday report for ticker symbol ATER, and I will see y'all on the next one. Later.